Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Taranjo with the Citizenship Academy. We are on Domain 2, Lesson 15. This is the unit assessment. So this assessment that's in this video, I'm just explaining what it is you're going to have to do, and you're going to submit it separately to your teacher. So the first part of your assessment, you're going to read 2 excerpts or pieces about Machu Picchu. An explorer named Hiram Bingham wrote the book in 1922. The first excerpt is from the book's preface or introduction. The second excerpt is from chapter 17 of the book. After reading the excerpts, you'll answer several questions based on the text. Some of the questions have 2 parts. You should answer part A of the question before you answer part B. So right here, page 143 is your first excerpt. Page 144 and 145 are the second excerpt. Then when you get to page 146, you'll see that you have some multiple choice. Remember to answer part A before you answer part B, and they are multiple choice. When you're done with that, you're going to get to the next section, which is read the pair of sentences about the Maya myth, the creation of the earth, following the chart. If the information in a pair of sentences is similar, you're going to combine the sentences using a word or phrase that compares. If the information in the pair of sentences is different, combine the sentences using a word or phrase that contrasts. So we provided the chart for you. So when you read the following sentences, you're going to determine if the sentences provided are similar or different and use one of these phrases to compare or contrast to combine them into one sentence. And your next part of your assessment is morphology. So this is where you're going to identify the correct word that belongs in each section to make the sentence make sense. And the words are going to be provided for you on your assessment. These will be multiple choice, so be sure to read it that way. And that is the end of your assessment. So make sure you are completing this and sending it to your teacher, because this is the end of the unit. And we will see everyone in our next unit.